Gay God is gonna be huge. He's gonna be huge. Subscribe to him right now. You know what's the rage this year? Hats. I'm just kidding. It is a new era. It's time to just, you know, be free of this hair and just start fresh. Don't give up on me. Promise you I'll be. I'm really digging this like rat's tail thing I got going. Oh my god, how do we get rid of that? All gone. Can somebody put this in like a video, like how to not shave your own head? I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. God, it feels amazing. Fuck. Oh no. My skin underneath is white. It's not spray tanned. Alright, so here's the finished result. I'm just kidding. I actually don't know how I'm gonna style my hair. I might have to cut some of this top off. That's what I look like. My hair is so long on the top, but I want to get it like long enough to like go and put it back on like a bow or something. What do you got? What do you guys think? I think it's already like such a better improvement. I'm like, damn. Obviously I need to like spray tan my sides. I'm gonna do that later. This is a new Gay God era. And don't forget to subscribe, by the way, because if you don't subscribe, a gay angel will lose its wings. Oh no! Alright, I'll see you guys Sunday. Comment this video right now with what you think you can use my excess hair for. Slowly going in and out a couple of times. I'm like, maybe we should switch positions because like, I literally didn't want to speak it